white and black, to halt the ocean, every creature, every kind. Probability, the promise of being fair, where chances, not ego, decides who is there. But tonight, we speak of a smaller, sharper light, a focused beam light cutting through the academic night. We speak of judgment, scientist as kind, stepping past random with nothing to hide. I am the curator, the one who must pick, not by the dice roll, but by what I expect. I don't want just a flower, a random common bloom. I need the orchid of expertise to banish doubt and gloom. I know the traits to seek, the criteria to meet, the richest data hidden on a specific street. My purpose is to filter. My knowledge is to sieve. I choose the ones most likely to help my hypothesis live. In judgment sampling, the map is drawn by light. But remember, my friend, that the light is mine.